That's my favorite bird in the world right there. Well, it's not my favorite bird in the world, but it was my baby Jacoby Lomax favorite bird. It was a cardinal bird. That bird there is a male. That bird is a male bird. The female cardinal bird is bright red. The male cardinal birds is like a reddish color. But the cardinal bird represents rebirth, tranquility, royal power, and wealth. So if y'all really wanted to know, the red cardinal bird is a bright red bird that they be putting on everything, all shirts and stuff. That's the female bird. The male bird is like a dull